Okay, we're at the location. I didn't get a chance to video everything, but we prepped for the hunt. If we get out here tomorrow, I put out 3 bags of corn. Got the 1 trap set there. Corn is there. Camera's right there. Focus on the trap. And we got the other trap set right over here. So we're gonna see what happens. Stay tuned. We'll keep you informed. We got the trap set out, so we're gonna see what happens. A lot of big coons in here. My brother Irvin's with me, Iceman. He's a small game hunter. This is his favorite part of the year, so we're gonna see what happens here. All right, stay tuned. Man, we got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got this part. Then we gotta go get the other part fixed.
All right.
We're gonna see what happens. All right, with the second location, trying to make it rain out here. You can see they clean all this up. All the corn is gone. So I'm gonna put 2 yellow bags on first. You do the 1 green bag. And you get.
I get it. Don't worry about it.
So.
All you got to do is put them loose.
All right, we're gonna fill it up right here, people. I'm gonna just set this camera up here. All right, we got 3 bags right here now. So that equals to 110 pounds each location. So got it going good. And right over there in the camera. Let's see what happens. That's it. Usually have a big 8-point coming out right here in the morning, right out of that thicket, coming down this road. And there's a small deer that beds right over there behind the tent. So yeah, we'll see what happens now. Stay tuned. Good morning with Dennis. Getting ready to change the plugs on my 2017 Ford F150 before I take it to the woods. Getting it safe. What's up, Dan? I see him again. He's back in the picture. Yeah. So we're gonna head in here and pick up some plugs and get to work. Stay tuned locations. Come down here to make them because they didn't have the original plugs came out of the truck. And Dennis is not gonna put any plugs in the truck that didn't come out of the truck. So hey, how you doing? And what we looking for then? Motorcraft? Motorcraft. That's what comes in that Ford F150. That's what we're putting back in. They tried to give us some AC, some auto lights. But we didn't have them. We gotta have that motorcraft in there. So we're down here now to pick them up. This is the third location. We gotta get the motorcraft. We went to 2 locations, they didn't have it. We'll get to the 3rd one. So hopefully they've already put their hands on it and they're waiting on us to come pick them up. Yep, we finally got these plugs. Now we got to get them replaced. So yeah, cover off. Blew it off with the air compressor. And trying to let Dennis do his thing. Hopefully we'll get this thing back on the road. Well, she's on the road. Just want to make sure she's running good. And long overdue for this tune-up. So put these in. See in a little bit. All right, right there. We got the tough one in the back. Now we're gonna get this one up here at the front. They weren't seized in too good either way. It's straight, okay.
I'm tightening it back. You got one or two of them that's ugly.
Yeah, that one right there don't look too good at all. Hold it up to the camera. Yeah, I think that was overdue. All right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one's overdue. All right. I'm gonna replace that motor craft.
It looks so much better going in now.
Yeah, we had to try a little bit to get that one.
I'm proud of it too.
Yeah.
You whoop the ride.
Put the NSCs on there.
I am real happy about this. And put the car back.
You have to be particular about what you put back, because once you go through all this trouble, make sure it works.
Yeah, right. You take care of it, take care of you.
Yep, there you go.
Set the torque on that, we good.
Okay.
Pad. Sitting right there.
You already torqued it?
Oh, that torqued it.
Okay.
Yeah, I got it on there.
Okay. 33 inch pad.
33 inch. We had to wrestle with it. Excuse me. Oh boy.
Now the thing about the compression on the motor is 33 inch-pound. Compression on a high-power rifle is 45 to 65 inch-pound.
Yeah, well, you talking about a whole lot.
That's a lot of pressure, ain't it? That's a lot of pressure.
Yeah, a whole lot of difference.
All right. Stay tuned. Issues with my plugs for my truck. I kind of Googled it. He said you might need to change spark plugs. I think we need to change these spark plugs. This one had been in there for a long time. One side was not bad, but the other side was. It makes it seem like someone put a tune-up on it, changed out one side and didn't change out the other one. So these on this side were just terrible. But sometimes it's best to pop that hood and look at it for yourself and make sure that everything was done the way it's supposed to be done. Stay tuned. Final touches, putting the last one in, plugging it in, snap. And now we're gonna put the top on, and this job is done. Thanks to Dennis. Appreciate you, man. Coming through again. Keep me on the road, keep me in the wood. We got to patent that deer stand, man, whatever you did to install them, because every one you install, I got big bucks out of them. Every one of them. Huh? We're gonna eat good. Yeah, we're gonna eat good. Yeah, so Put the finishing touches on this. I'm getting ready to load up and head up the road. We're in that downhill slide on this season. You know, from Thanksgiving to Christmas, it's like a slide. You get a brief glimpse of these weekends because everything's so busy. Now we're just past Christmas and getting ready to get back out here and get back on these food sources. I put the corn out last night, me and the Iceman. The Iceman said he wanted to spare my feet. So he put the corn out for me. We set some coon traps up. I seen activity around those traps all night, but then it slowed down this morning. So I'm gonna see if anything actually went in there. Those traps were new to me. How to set those up, the trigger and everything, but we'll see if it works. Yeah, seat that back. And she's good to go. All right. Heading out to go hunting this afternoon. We prepped it out last night. And didn't get a lot of activity this morning, which I didn't expect. But we got some last night after we left. And it's a feed moon, so they're coming out at about an hour before dark. Yesterday on the way up, we ran across a couple of fields. We had about 40 deer out in each field. And they're up on their feet. They're feeding. They're getting back on this food source. Hopefully they'll start doing that this evening. We'll be able to make a harvest. I had a couple of people to call me. It's late season, and people like to wait until late season before they ask for a deer. I don't know why, but they do. And it challenges you as a hunter because now these deer are dug in pretty good. All the things that were really making them move a lot earlier, they're pretty much fading out. The pre-rut, the rut, and even the acorns that were on the ground are fading out pretty good. The clouds really in a hurry. But, you know, so you have to get to these remote places where you're going to have thickets that meet food sources. And when you find those thickets that meet the food sources, then you're back in business with the deer. Usually it's going to be thickets like a little thicker than this one over here on this field edge. And so when it can bed down, lay tight all day, and then about an hour, maybe 30 minutes before dark, get up, move around, forage a little bit, and then stay right around that cover. That's what they like to do this time of year. So I've got a couple of places like that, and you know, your post-season scouting, as I said, that's very important to get out there late January, February after the season's over, scout around, find those beds, find those deer. I used to like to walk through the woods before I had trail cameras and all that. I would walk through the woods real slow, walk about 50 yards, stop, turn in a circle, look, maybe cough or something like that. And what that does is it makes them get up out of those beds that they're in, and I can tell where they were. Then I would go back in, set up a climber stand about maybe 100 yards, 100 to 150 yards away from where I jumped them out of that bed, and ease in there the next day or so, climb up so that I can see. And I harvest a lot of late season deer like that. So you always have to have a strategy, change strategy. But now what I do, since the state has made it legal to hunt with food, I just put those food sources out in those thick areas, around those thick areas, where I know they'll come in naturally and start filtering in there about an hour, 30 minutes before dark, and I can harvest that. So stay with us. We're going to go out this afternoon, see what we can get. I'm taking my old trusty 30-30. You know, I kicked the season off with it. I haven't harvested a deal with it yet, but hopefully it'll change by tonight. Hopefully I'll put one or two on the ground. I would love to have two on the ground. Two does preferably. That's what I really want, two full-grown does. And my brother Lonnie said he's going to go with it today, so we're going to swing by and pick him up. And B3 is still excited from Christmas. He's not going to be out here with us today. He's got toys
standing up there where you gonna be sitting at, then, huh? You'll be sweating up the storm with that.
Well, that's why I want to get it early, so I get an early start. Take the time to walk. You ready to go ahead and get set up for the last Saturday of 2025? Got a good feeling about this afternoon. It's a little overcast, warmer than I would like, but we should have some good movement. We came in here and put out, I think it was 220 pounds of corn, and so we should be doing pretty good. They usually come in here either the same night or the next night and start eating that corn, so they didn't come in here this morning at all. I didn't have any pictures of them, so looking for this evening to be a good evening for them to move. We got quite a few does getting back on this corn, so we're gonna try to take them down. Hopefully we can gather at least 2. I would love to get 3 or 4, but if we can get at least 2, we're doing good. We got a couple more days to come out after this and wrap up the season, but hopefully we can get 2 to satisfy some of the people that have been wanting some deer meat, and some of them that we kind of owe favors because, you know, they give us the rights to hunt the property. So hopefully we'll get a chance to take care of that, and we'll see you soon. Huh?
The raccoon come out here about 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning.
What's on now?
The raccoon come out here about 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning.
Different time. Sometimes you see them hit 11 o'clock at night, 3.
Will be hunt season when they be out here?
Yeah.
You just ain't thought about hunting on them.
Well, I thought about trapping them. Yep. Put one in the trap. Alrighty. Okay. Back with my trusty 33 Marlin. Just change it around. Get ready for the season hunt. Should be a good one. Everything's quiet. Still. So, like I said, it's not as cool as I would like, but you should still have some action coming your way. Alright, stay tuned. Our hunting is starting to get good. Getting down into closing in on the 5 o'clock hour. So that's when we get the most movement out here around The raccoon is getting restless in the trap, so that's telling me that I'm almost getting ready to start moving out here. So we'll stay tuned. We'll be right back. All right, we're not leaving the woods empty-handed tonight. Raccoon trap work, so I'm gonna go ahead and let this the 22 Heritage do its part, and we're gonna go ahead and get him out of here. And I didn't see any deer. He was over here making up so much noise. He was raking that sardine can back and forth, so I didn't see any deer tonight, but we got him. We're going back and we'll reset this trap and head out.